Hey everybody, I'm going to do 2 reviews today. The first review is going to be on some cars I got. And then the second review is going to be a Zoranger Pink. So I'm going to get the car review done first, since that's the biggest of the 2 reviews. And I'm not going to really go into much detail on these, because I'm going to do an individual review on a lot of these cars, as you know, coming up. So I'm not going to really do an in-depth review on any of those cars that I got in here. I will just show you them slowly, but I'm not going to do, like I said, an in-depth review on anything until we can get to their turn in the car rotation of videos. Let me just get this open. All right. Looks like there's a bunch of napkins in here sealing the cars up. So here we have, let's get started. We have the Groundbreaker. The Routemaster bus. Heroes radar truck. Emmer Ford Transit. Let me get out the rest of these here. There's some loose stuff in here too. There's an interesting car in here I want to show you guys. It's actually a pretty hard to find casting. Most of these are new. There's a couple that were loose, but I want to show you these interesting 80s castings that I got that were loose. One of them is actually pretty hard to find. I don't know if it's that hard to find in this day and age. I'm not really sure. Then we have the Tricar X8. This is one of the loose ones I was talking about. Mini Cooper S. We have the Chevrolet SSR. The Seagrave fire truck. Flame Tamer, City Bus. Then we have this last car here, which is the AOK. I like the name of this car. I'm going to go into further detail on this when I do its individual review, but I'm not going to do an individual review of it right now at this time. Let me just get it out of here. It's in mint condition. These don't come up that often in this shape. It's in nice condition, as you could see. I got this for a really good price. And I believe that's all we have for today. Don't believe there's anything else. And nope, that's it. Thank you.